Today, I want to talk about something that I see quite commonly in parents that do everything right and their baby has eczema. So this is probably a little bit controversial and maybe not everyone's going to love what I'm about to say, but what I commonly see is there's some type of microbiome disruption that happens early in life. And one of the things that well-meaning parents going for a drug-free birth can sometimes do is that they can actually have their baby in water and have a water birth. Now, unfortunately, what this does is when the baby comes out through the birth canal and into the water, it actually washes all of those good bacteria off of the baby's skin. And if the water isn't filtered, the baby is born into chlorinated water. So chlorine is added to our tap water, and it is, an antimicrobial agent. So, firstly, the water is washing the skin's, all this beneficial flora off the skin. Plus, the chlorine is acting like an antimicrobial. So a water birth, as wonderful as it is for helping with natural labor, is actually not the best thing that you can do for your child's skin microbiome. So if you want to labor in the water and then get out of the water to deliver, that would be better, because then the vaginal inoculation of flora that settles on the skin and helps establish the skin microbiome is not going to be all washed away. The other thing is to not wash or bath your baby until the vernix, which is like a white waxy coating that the baby is covered in at birth, is all soaked into the skin. This is a really protective thing that you can do for your child's skin microbiome. And of course, breastfeeding is super important for atopy prevention. So the prevention of eczema, asthma, sinusitis, hay fever, all those sorts of things is better with breastfed babies. Plus avoidance of antibiotics that are not absolutely life-saving in nature. So I know that's not the most favorite thing that people want to hear, but it is really, really important. And these are unfortunately common things that I see in infants, with this early microbiome disruption causing eczema.